Good morning, Suraj.
Good morning, sir.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Our Earth in the solar system. First of all, I will explain important points here, and you also, I hope that you have already remembered this. Okay, so let's start. The stars and moon are celestial bodies. Here I have written also pronunciation celestial body. Celestial body also called heavenly body. Heaven, Heaven. In heaven add ly, it will become heavenly. Okay, heavenly. So celestial body is also called heavenly bodies. So stars and moon are celestial bodies which are visible only at the night, only at the night in the sky. During daytime, the power of sunlight renders them invisible. Renders them matlab make them invisible. Question somebody
Make
can
them
ask.
invisible.
Yes, question can be asked, Suraj, that why is the moon and stars are not visible? Then what would he reply?
The
Then what would
moon
he?
is
Yeah,
hidden
yeah.
by
Go
the
ahead. Once again.
the moon is hidden by the sun's light.
Yeah, the power of sunlight make them invisible. Very good. Next one. The moon appears differently on different nights. Suppose that month starting from one. Okay, so it will be some. It will be big. It means in the beginning it will be very big. After that it will become getting a small. It will get small slowly, and in 15th day, from the beginning it on 15th day, it will completely invisible. Completely खत्म हो जाएगा. That day is called Amavasya. That day is called Amavasya.
Amavasya.
And after Amavasya, once again it will start increasing in the size, and slowly it will become full. That will become on the 13th day. After 30 days, it means in 30 days it will become full moon. That is called Purnima. That is called Purnima. So look here,
Purnima.
the full moon only once a month. जो लास्ट में होता है मंथ का वन टाइम. ओके, एंड ऑन द पूर्णिमा नाइट दैट इज कॉल्ड पूर्णिमा नाइट. ओके, फुल मून को क्या बोलते हैं? पूर्णिमा नाइट. एंड whereas on the 15th night, after that there is no moon, completely invisible. That day it is called Amavasya. That day it is called Amavasya.
Amavasya.
So this is the one point. This is the another point. Next point is that stars have their own heat and light. This is also very important. Stars के अपना heat and light होता है. Okay. Next point is that planets do not have their own heat and light. This is the very important. Planets का अपना light नहीं होता है. Planets do not have their own heat and light. They are lit by the light of a star. क्योंकि star have their own heat and light. They
Yes,
are
sir.
lit by, yeah, they are lit by मतलब वो चमकता है. Planets also why? Because of the light of a star. Okay, this slide clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. The sun and the 8 planets together forming solar system. What do you mean solar system? Solar system solar system consists the sun and 8 planets. इसको combined करके क्या बोला जाता है? What is the name given? The name given solar system. Okay, the sun and 8 planets together are known as solar system. Okay,
Solar
next.
system.
All the planets of a solar system move around the sun. All the planets of a solar system move around the sun. Sun is suppose that here, so all planets will move in the fixed orbit. Okay, around the sun in the fixed orbits. Okay, shall I show you the orbit? Let's me to show you orbit. So here is the orbit, Suraj. Look here, this is the sun. Here it is sun, and all planets moving around the sun in the fixed orbit, मतलब fixed path पे, ऐसे ऐसे सब अपना path पे चल रहा है. Okay, they are following certain rules, not going here and there like that. Okay, so this is called orbit. जिस path पे move करता है planets, that path name is orbit. Okay. Okay, Suraj.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So this point is clear now. Next point is the moon is Earth's natural satellite. Moon क्या है? Earth का natural satellite. What is satellite? Satellite is an object, you can say, and thing that moves around the planets. That move around the planets. So shall I show you satellite? Some human made, that man made also, and then this is the moon is the natural satellite. Shall I show you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So look here. This one, these are satellite. This also satellite. This is also satellite. This is the man-made satellites. Okay. You can imagine. Have you ever thought that match is going in Australia? You are watching here. This all happens because of satellite. We are calling through. We are calling, and from here we are calling, and you are listening somewhere else. Okay. These all things possible because of satellites. Okay. And these all are man-made, and that moon is the natural satellites of the earth. Moon is the natural satellites of the earth.
Earth.
So satellites moves around the planets. Next, some human-made satellites, man-made satellites. Just we are discussing. Yeah, just I shown you also. I have shown just IRS. This is the man-made satellites. INSAT is also man-made, or EduSat is also man-made satellites, etc. etc. Okay. Next, what do you mean galaxy? A galaxy is a huge system of billions of stars and clouds of dust and gases. So, galaxy is the combination of gases, dust, stars. Okay. So that is called galaxy. Understood, Suraj? Now I will
Yes,
ask.
sir.
Yeah, I will ask word. You will have to define those all words. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Suraj. I will explain these all words. Also, I will show you answer. First of all, I want you to reply these all questions. So go one by one. Yeah. Tell.
Galaxy. Galaxy is the cluster of stars.
Oh, just I also explained this one. Yeah. Next.
Asteroids.
Yeah.
Asteroids are irregular shaped rocks present between Mars and Jupiter.
Very good, Suraj. Next one.
Meteoroids. Small
Yeah.
rocky or metallic bodies that rotate around the sun.
Okay. Next one. Satellites.
Satellites. Satellites are celestial bodies that move around the planet.
Next. Orbit.
Orbit. Orbit is the path of the planet.
Okay. Next. This
Geoid.
one. Yeah.
Earth-like shape is called geoid.
Very good. Next one.
Lithosphere.
Yeah.
Outer rocky layer of the earth is called lithosphere.
Okay.
Hydrosphere.
Yeah.
Water layer of the earth is
Bottom layer of the earth. Water layer.
water layer of the
Water.
earth.
Yeah. Water layer of the earth. Very good. Next.
Atmosphere. Layer of gases above the earth.
Yeah. Very good. Biosphere.
Biosphere means layer of life on the earth.
Layer of lives. Constellation. This one.
Patterns of stars.
Next. Universe.
Thousands of galaxies make a universe.
Okay. Rotation.
Taking rounds by the heavenly bodies on their axis is called rotation.
Okay. Shall I show some pictures? Galaxy, asteroids, meteoroids. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here is the picture of galaxy. Galaxy is the collection of stars, gases, dust, clouds also you can say. So these all are galaxy picture. Understood?
Yes, sir.
This one is the asteroids picture. This one is the
Asteroids.
picture. Yeah. This one is the meteoroid. Meteoroid pictures.
Meteoroid.
Huh? Yeah. So this is the falling meteoroid from the sky. If गिर रहा है नीचे. Okay. Meteoroid pictures. Okay. Meteoroid picture. Meteoroid is a rocky and metallic also.
Yes, sir.
This one is the geoid pictures. Earth-like shaped geoid pictures. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This one is the Earth picture. So look here. This one is axis. Here, axis. This one here to here it is axis. From the middle it's crossing. Okay. So the rotation, the movement of Earth on axis is the name is that name what? Rotation. Rotation causes what? Rotation. The Earth rotation causes
Day and night.
day and night. Very good, Suraj. And this is this one. Look, this is axis के चारों ओर ऐसे movement of this. What is called another name of the movement? What is that?
Revolution.
Yeah, revolution. The Earth revolution causes what?
Season.
Season. So revolution takes to complete one revolution taking more time now because Earth is moving like this is this much. But rotation taking less because in the here only rotating na. So in one rotation takes less time. Understood?
Yes, sir.
That's why day and night becoming into 24 hours only. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So on this one is the down one is the south pole and upper part is the this part is the north pole. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So here lithosphere picture I am trying to show you. So look here, this is the Earth. In that one part is here. So this part, upper part here. So upper part is the lithosphere. Upper part is the lithosphere. So lithosphere, yeah, lithosphere consists of crust. Crust matlab outer hard part of Earth is called crust. So lithosphere consists of crust and upper part of the mantle. Mantle है ना, upper part of the mantle and crust. Okay. Down one is core. Here to here it is core. This is the inner core. This is the outer core. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So here this is lithosphere. This is the hydrosphere related to water. Okay. And this is the biosphere. These all are biosphere because here in hydrosphere also there is some life. Here also some life on lithosphere. Okay. In atmosphere also. So here to here it is combined of atmosphere, lithosphere and hydrosphere. That is biosphere. That is biosphere. Okay, bio wherever it is bio written, that is life. That will be related to life.
Life.
Okay. Like biology. In bio also we are reading about life. So biology. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And wherever it will be hydro, that will be related to water. That will be related to water. So this is the root word I am telling. Hydro, water, bio, life. Okay. Wherever it will be litho, litho will be crust, hard part. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Just you told na the patterns of a star is called constellation. So this is the look. This is the pattern. Okay. Some pattern formed by a star. There is a name also. We will read in later. We will read those also. But here look the constellation picture. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So here is the answer, Suraj. What you have just replied. Okay. So galaxy. Galaxy is the cluster of stars. Cluster means collection. Otherwise groups you can say. Asteroids. Irregular shaped. Irregular shaped rocks between Mars and Jupiter. Your answer was correct. Meteoroids, small rocky or metallic bodies in outer space. It's called meteoroids. Outer space, not okay, inner space. This one. Satellites, celestial bodies that move around the planets. Okay, so wherever you see satellites, think that this is the celestial body and move around the planets. Okay, orbit, just I have shown you in the picture also a path in which planets move around the sun. Geoid, earth like shape. Okay, lithosphere, outer rocky layer on the earth, just I have shown you in the picture also. Next, hydrosphere, water layer on the earth. Okay, इसको बोलते हैं हाइड्रोस्फीयर. एटमॉस्फेयर, layer of gases above the earth. Biosphere, layer of life. Correct. Constellation, patterns of a star. Universe, thousands of galaxies together form. Form मतलब make. Form is
Make.
yeah, universe. Rotation, taking rounds by the heavenly bodies. Heavenly bodies के जो movement होता है rotation on their axis, उसके axis पे. Okay, is called rotation. Okay, I have also told you the difference between revolution and rotation. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Here is the some celestial bodies. We have already discussed these also. Comets we have not discussed in this. We will read further in coming videos. Okay. Solar system, Milky Way, universe. Huh? It's a planet. These all planets. Okay. Solar system. In solar system consists planet, sun, moon, and meteoroids and asteroids also. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now here look the name of the planet and distance from the sun. Question can be asked also. Tell me the sequence according to distance from the sun. So there is a trick. You know the trick. What is the trick? How would you remember? Which one is the after Mercury, after Venus? From the distance you write as per distance from the sun in serial way the name of the planet. How would you remember it? How would you keep in your mind? There is a one sentence. Through that sentence you can remember it easily. You know that sentence? Would you tell me? You don't know? Yeah, very good. Go ahead. Okay, I will tell you, Suraj. Don't worry. My very efficient mother just served us noodles.
My very.
So here is the sentence, Suraj. My very efficient mother just served us noodles. M for Mercury. Here V for Venus. Here E for Earth. First letter of the word you have to take. M for Mars. J for Jupiter. S for Saturn. U for Uranus. N for Neptune. So now you can easily tell. So first of all, very closest of the sun. Tell the name of the planet that is very close to the sun. That one is Mercury. Okay, after that is Venus. And very far it means farthest of the sun. That will be the Neptune. Neptune. Understood? So now simply you remember this sentence. My very efficient mother just served us noodles. You can easily write the sequence of planet from the sun. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now from here what we can learn. Okay. So Jupiter has most number of the moons. Jupiter. Okay. And important is that most the question can be asked like that, Suraj. Tell the planet name who has most number of the moon. That will be the Jupiter. And the planet who has no moon, planet who have no moons, planets who have no moons, that is Mercury and Venus. Okay, Mercury and Venus. First from the beginning, Sun say Mercury, Venus has no moons. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so that's all for today, Suraj. We will read further. Okay, in next video. Understood?
Yes, sir.
In next class, we will study further. Okay. So that's all. Till then, have a nice day.
Bye, sir.
Bye. Same to you.